In this video, we're talking about AutoBottom. The term AutoBottom may or may not be familiar to you, but it's very likely that as a consumer, you've experienced this type of a box design on many occasions. It's fairly common. An AutoBottom is a structurally designed carton bottom that's specifically designed to form the floor of the box as it's erected from its flat state. You can see as we form the box, that floor comes into place and locks. What's ideal about this box design is that it's quickly assembled. So for a fulfillment process where it's manual, where it's a hand loading of a product into a package along an assembly line, this is an ideal design. One limitation of this kind of a box design is that each of these dimensions must be at least 1.5 inches for the gluing to happen properly. Another consideration for the AutoBottom box design is that it tends to run a little more slowly along the gluing part of manufacturing. Therefore, it may add a little more cost than other box bottom designs that are available to you. However, that added cost can easily be justified and offset when the fulfillment process is manual and requires a quickly assembled box. This can save time and money.